HDT Hunter Wolf. The initial piece of equipment introduced today has been specifically engineered to cater to military requirements. Developed by the American firm HDT Global. This robotic platform is tailored to meet the demands of infantry soldiers, with its design and features focused on their operational needs. Named Wolf, which stands for Wheeled Offload Logistics Follower. This mobile system boasts a robust 6-wheel base that enables it to navigate challenging terrains. The Hunter Wolf is capable of traversing off-road environments, including narrow paths, steep inclines, and dense jungles, while being able to transport up to 1,000 kilograms of cargo for an impressive duration of 120 hours. The development of military vehicles poses significant challenges, as they must endure rigorous testing. The Hunter Wolf has shown exceptional performance, completing a distance of 100 kilometers in just 23 hours, outpacing its nearest competitor by 6 hours. Consequently, this robotic vehicle is poised to provide substantial assistance to infantry units, allowing soldiers to cover greater distances with reduced fatigue. Yagu. The compact design of the Yagu should not be misleading. While it may appear unassuming, this vehicle is far from ordinary. Weighing just 1.5 tons, it is an armored vehicle that combines lightness with formidable protection. The engineers at the Israeli firm Plazin faced a significant challenge in creating a small vehicle that could function effectively as an off-road machine, while offering B6 plus ballistic protection for at least 3 occupants. Fortunately, their expertise led to the successful development of the Yagu, which features an array of surveillance cameras for enhanced situational awareness, an RC combat module armed with either 5.56 or 7.62 mm machine guns, and a drone launch system capable of autonomously tracking targets. Additionally, the Yagu excels in reconnaissance missions, demonstrating exceptional off-road capabilities as it navigates through mud, rocks, and sand, while also being agile enough for mountainous and forested terrains. Nexa Titus 6x6. The 6-wheeled armored vehicle, introduced 7 years ago, continues to impress with its capabilities. Developed by the French firm Nexa, the Titus is part of the mine-resistant ambush-protected MRAP program. Its notable tactical mobility and cross-country performance set it apart from many competitors, allowing for operation beyond paved roads. The standard model has a weight of 17 tons, with options for additional armored modules that enhance interior protection while increasing overall weight. There are 2 configurations available. One accommodates 3 crew members and 10 infantrymen, while the other supports 2 crew members and 12 infantrymen. Both variants feature the Safe Pro system, designed to withstand blasts equivalent to 150 kilograms. The Titus is currently utilized by military forces in Albania, France, and the Czech Republic. Humvee NXT 360. You are examining a tactical armored off-road vehicle designed by experts at the American firm AM General, known as the Humvee, or High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheeled Vehicle. This model has been utilized by the US Army since 1983, with the Humvee Sabre being its latest iteration. This version features a new engine, improved protection, and a revamped chassis. It is part of the MRAP program, indicating its mine-resistant and ambush-protected capabilities. The designation 360 signifies that the vehicle is armored on all sides. Notable attributes include a 120-degree overview video camera, which has allowed engineers to eliminate rear door windows, thereby enhancing protection. The NXT 360 is offered in various configurations accommodating 2, 4, or 6 passengers. Its updated long-travel suspension provides exceptional maneuverability in challenging terrains, and the manufacturer assures outstanding speed and handling across diverse surfaces. Striker A1. General Dynamics, an American company, unveiled the next generation of armored vehicles 1 year ago, designed to eventually replace the current fleet. The A1 series features several distinct vehicles, each showcasing unique capabilities. Among them, the Medium Caliber Weapon System, MCWS, is notable for its remote-controlled weaponry, an unmanned observation tower offering a 360-degree view, and enhanced power transmission components. Another significant model, the IM Shorod, is equipped with both anti-tank and anti-aircraft missiles. The technological sophistication of these vehicles is evident, as the Striker lineup has been in production since 2002, with the A1 version reflecting years of accumulated expertise. Dodge Durango Pursuit. The subsequent vehicle on our roster has been meticulously engineered to meet the specific requirements of American law enforcement. Its propulsion system strikes an optimal balance between power and efficiency, featuring a robust 5.7-liter V8 engine that generates 360 horsepower and 529 Newton-meters of torque. Equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is aptly named with Pursuit for a significant reason. The Dodge Durango excels in high-speed police chases, boasting an external searchlight, a powerful starter battery, and a high-performance pump designed to maintain engine oil temperature. Furthermore, enhancements to the braking system allow the car to decelerate from 97 km per hour to a complete stop within just 41 meters. Additional benefits include an impressive towing capacity of up to 3,220 kilograms, excellent maneuverability, and stability at elevated speeds. Chevrolet Police Tahoe PPV. The Chevrolet Tahoe SUV is a well-known vehicle among automotive enthusiasts. But the police variant, introduced a few years ago, may come as a surprise. The Chevrolet Police Tahoe PPV represents a new generation of law enforcement vehicles, specifically engineered for high-speed pursuits. It boasts a powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower, paired with a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission featuring electronic control. The vehicle is fitted with 20-inch wheels and Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires, which enhance braking performance and have been rigorously tested on racetracks. Distinct from its commercial counterpart, this model includes a reconfigured suspension with specialized springs, shock absorbers, and stabilizer bars, along with a lowered ground clearance for improved stability during high-speed maneuvers. Additionally, the braking system has been upgraded, and the vehicle is equipped with essential law enforcement features such as flashing beacons, a siren, and a reinforced front grille. Incas Sentry MPV. The inclusion of the Sentry MPV is essential to our video, as it represents a multi-purpose vehicle of exceptional quality. Developed by the Canadian firm, Incas, this vehicle ensures a high degree of protection and comfort for both passengers and drivers. Its remarkable off-road capabilities allow it to access even the most challenging terrains swiftly. Accommodating between 4 to 6 individuals, the Sentry MPV boasts a BR7 ballistic protection level, the highest available, powered by a robust 6.7-liter V8 engine generating 362 horsepower. It can be further enhanced with features such as lightweight armor, a firefighting system, emergency lighting, and a reinforced braking system. Additionally, it is equipped with an escape hatch, a roof-mounted gun turret, and a reinforced electric winch. The vehicle also includes an electronic night vision system and an armored engine compartment, ensuring comprehensive safety and functionality. Lano Bearcat G2. This remarkable armored vehicle captures the attention of onlookers upon first sight. Developed by the American firm Lano, the Bearcat G2 is designed specifically for law enforcement and special operations. Despite its substantial size, the vehicle exhibits impressive driving capabilities, allowing for comfortable maneuverability even in the tight confines of urban environments. Notably, it can accommodate between 10 to 12 fully equipped officers. The Bearcat G2 features a fully armored chassis and superior ballistic protection. Although many technical specifications remain classified, it is widely recognized that this vehicle is actively utilized by special forces across the United States. Benzina Riot. Benzina Riot is recognized as the most advanced riot control system globally. This vehicle is specifically engineered to safeguard law enforcement personnel when confronting hostile crowds, thereby mitigating risks to their safety. Resembling a massive mobile shield, it comprises a 3-ton base structure and specialized tanks that power to water cannons, effectively dispersing demonstrators. The shield's adjustable design allows for versatility in various scenarios, with a minimum width of 4.5 meters that can expand to 7.5 meters through sliding metal panels, while standing nearly 4 meters tall. Additionally, it features a rear elevator capable of elevating officers to approximately 5 meters. Constructed to withstand projectiles such as Molotov cocktails and 7.26mm bullets, the Benzina Riot proves versatile for various scenarios, including blocking pathways or dismantling barricades.